Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Anna and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am back with a B&M haul. I don't know if I've ever done a B&M haul. I'm not 100% sure really. I went into B&M today, which is whatever day that is for you. I went into B&M today and there were some really good things in there. Basically not where I live but near where I live. They've opened up a huge massive new B&M, and then next to it there's like a B&M furniture as well, and it was a really good one. There was really good things in there. I spent just over £40, which I feel like in a sense is quite a lot for B&M. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I spent a lot, but I am really happy with everything I got. So yeah, it's all in here. It's only in one bag as well. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I got. I didn't necessarily like need any of this, but it was too pretty to leave, and it will like match like the aesthetic of my room. So yeah, can't wait to show you guys what I got. So I've got a few things from like some other shops as well, which I'll show you after. What I got is this. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put this one, but I really liked it, and it was only £3, which I feel like is so inexpensive. It's this mirror right here. I don't know how to show you this. It's this mirror right here, and it's beautiful, and it's got like little hooks on it, so you can hang things from it as well, like jewelry. It was only £3, which I thought was really good, but it was gold, and I've recently got rid of like everything. I feel like I still had like touches of copper in my room, and it was really annoying me because I had bits of copper and bits of gold. I have got rid of all the copper, so now I have only got gold in here. So I feel like this will now really go really nicely. Again, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I might put it next to my new shelves, which I have got as well, which I've already put up, so I can't show you, but I'll show you what they look like after. I feel like it's probably better to actually show what they look like after anyway, because then you want to see what they look like up on the wall. But yeah, this is a mirror. I really like it, and obviously it's like quite vintagey where you hang it on the chain as well. But I've seen like picture frames like this and mirrors like this before, which are really expensive, but this was only £3, so I thought that was really good. And yeah, I'm gonna try and put it up so I can show you what it looks like when it is up. But yeah, I thought that was a really good price. Next up, I got this as well. This I think I'm going to put on my beauty desk. I think I'm going to put on my beauty desk, which you can see like right behind me. And it's like a little pink octagon tray. It was only £4, which I feel like was really good. And it's pink on one side and gold on the other. And I just really want to put, I've got like an acrylic display at the moment like underneath my wardrobe. I'm entirely sure what I'm going to put on this yet, but I did really like it, and I love that it's pink on one side which matches and gold on the other. So again, I think it will really suit with the gold aesthetic themed. I think it will really go with like the gold and pink theme in my room, and I can't wait to see what it looks like on my desk. So this is the next thing I got. This was £5, and I can't really decide whether or not I feel like this was a good price or like expensive, but this is it, and it's like a gold plant pot. And it's like pink, but it's got gold leopard print on it, and I really liked it. I thought it would look quite nice amongst my other plants. I feel like I've got quite a few different bits, but I've got my shelves and I really want to make them more like pretty instead of just having literally just makeup on them. So yeah, I want to find somewhere to put this, but I thought it was really nice, and it was too nice to leave. It was too pretty to leave in the store, so I did pick it up. It was £5. I feel like that was good. It feels very good quality, and yeah, I needed a plant to go in it because I don't have any plants to go in them, because I got a new one from Marks and Spencer's this week. So, and that was in the sale, and I'll show you what that looks like actually. I got from Marks and Spencer this week, which I feel like that's why I sort of debated whether or not I feel like that was a good price, because this only cost me like £3. It was in the sale for, I actually have two. I got that one last year and that was £12, but this one I got this year it was in the sale £4, and I got staff discount, so it only cost me like £3. So I thought that was a really good deal. I find it hard to like think, oh, is that expensive? I don't think it was, and I really liked it. I really like this, and I needed a plant to go in it, so I did pick up a plant as well. And this was only £2.99, but £2.99. I feel like plants, the only place I really I've got plants from, I've got quite a few plants in my room, but a lot of them are from IKEA, and I feel like they're all very much the same. So from a different store, it just looks a little bit different as well, and £2.99 I think was a really good price, and it just fits. It had like the plastic film over the pot in the shop, so I couldn't see if it fitted or not, but it does fit really nice, and it'll just look a little something like this. So I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put it, but I mean, I think it looks alright. We'll play about with it. I might mix a few different plants around and see which one looks the best. But yeah, I really, really like it. And I think that overall under a tenner looks really, really nice. Next up, I got this. I really, really like this. I'd seen it in there. I'd seen a few like it in there for a while, but I just never picked one up. I've seen these in there for a while, but I never picked it up. But today they just look really nice. The actual one I went in, because I don't know if it was because it's new, was just really clean. So yeah, it just looked really nice. So I picked this little gold leaf tray up. It was only £3, which again I thought that was really, really good. It was only £3, so I thought that was like really, really good. And yeah, again, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, but wherever it is, it'll probably look really nice. Wherever it is, it will look really nice and it will match. So yeah, a bit of a gold theme going on with everything, but I love that they're the same colour gold because they're like from the same collection. They do all match. So yeah, I really like this, and it feels, again, really thick and really good quality. So yeah, only £3. And then onto the last two things. That's it for homeware. I got some makeup. So these two I'm a huge fan of the Huda Beauty Vivid Bright palettes. A huge fan of W7 makeup. I really rate it. I've got a lot of their makeup on today, actually, to be fair. The contour palette and the under eye setting powder. I love the banana powder. And they are a very good brand for dupes. And I do always get a lot of their stuff from B&M. And I was very surprised to see these in there. And these are like exact dupes of the Huda Beauty. I don't actually, they're like the Neon Obsessions. But for £2.99, which I think is insane. So this is one of them. I would compare, but I don't in the drawer. So I'll put some pictures on Instagram. For £2.99, I just think that's absolutely insane. And I do wear colours like this a lot, and I know I'll get a lot of wear out of them, and they just look insane. I can't believe they were only £2.99. So I got the Outrageous Orange and Punchy Pink, so I can't wait to give them a try. I'll let you know how I get on. I'll definitely put some pictures on Instagram, but yeah, so happy with those, and I can't believe they're only that price. From B&M, and now I'll quickly show you what I got from I was just in the Morrison's next door, just getting a few bits, and then they had these. Now I have makeup storage, but they're grey at the moment, and it annoys me how my drawers are white, but there's grey storage in there. They're old. The little baskets, I have them, got them from Poundland. I just really wanted new ones. Acrylic storage is very expensive. As soon as you search anywhere like makeup storage, and as soon as it's acrylic, the price is just insane. I do have some, nevertheless. I do have some from like Primark and stuff, but anyway, I got a lot of these. Which I feel like would be very good for the deep Alex straws to put lipsticks in. They look a lot bigger on camera, but they're actually quite small. So yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 7 of these. I don't know why I got 7. 7 of them. And then 5 of these ones. I wish I'd have got more of these, but they didn't have any more there. They're very, very thick plastic. They're a brand called Wham Studio. It's the only amount. They only had 5 of these little ones, which I feel like would have been great for the little drawers. These were 75p each, so cheaper than Poundland, and I got so many. So I'm going to put these in the drawers and organise and just put my lipsticks away properly, because I've got so many lipsticks, lip glosses. They're so unorganised. Here then everywhere, because I don't know where to put them all. So yeah, can't wait to organise that. For 75p, that's such a bargain. I also got these gold copper shelves. My mum got the black ones, and I really liked them, and I knew they had the gold. I didn't pick them up because I was like, I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I went back and got them. So these are what they look like, and I really like them. I used to have like a cabled like wall dream catcher kind of thing here, but yeah, this is what's there instead, and I really, really like it. They're only £5 for the 2 of them, and I've just popped this little Marble H from Typo in there, which I got for Christmas. This gold IKEA plant, but yeah, as you can just tell, and I don't know if you can tell, I just think it really adds a little something to that corner of the room. Just adds a little something to that corner of the room. So yeah, I definitely recommend going to get them. If you've just got a little empty corner in your room, you want to jazz it up a bit with like a nice little green plant on them, I think they're really nice and really good for only £5. So this is where I've decided to put the mirror. It's just below that. I know I can't see it, but I didn't really get it to see it. It was more for like decorative purposes anyway. So that's what that looks like. This is like the little tray. Not little, it's quite big actually. And the gold tray, and then the new palettes, because I want to film a video of them tomorrow, and then just a pink perfume. This is the Ariana Grande one. Don't judge me if you haven't tried it. Well, actually, that's not the best one. Cloud is the best one. You need to try it. that is all I got today in B&M. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. I'm so happy with everything I got. I got some really good bits, and I'm just generally really, and I can't wait to like put them everywhere and organise and sort out. So yeah, but yeah, let me know if you've been in Shaw recently, if you've been in Shaw B&M lately, and let me know what you've picked up, or if you're going to be going and getting any of the things that I got. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.